guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. I'm in Brits Bay today. It's very stormy actually. When you check the sky above my head looks really dark and it's quite windy, but it's still 20 degrees and I completely don't understand what's going on right now. But I decided to have a nice walk on the beach and enjoy a little more fresh air full of salt and yacht, and hopefully I will feel super extra special and fresh after that. And also lots of changes in Brits Bay. How you can see that the lifeguard's house now looks completely different than was before when I was here last time. Lots of good changes. Even during the COVID they make lots of good stuff. Weather is crazy. The most funny, lots of people swimming actually. I see like 6-7 people swimming. Maybe water is nice and warm. No, I don't think so. I don't remember any nice warm water here from last 15 years. Brits Bay is not really deep and actually you can walk like even 40-50 meters and water still will be like until here. But I don't want to even try. I enjoy my walk. It's really beautiful with the stormy clouds and with the waves. Everything looks magical. It was lovely, but I feel like start raining and I don't want to be wet, full of sand, while I'm just running to car park. That was short visit in Brits Bay, but definitely recharge all my battery. I feel like brand new right now. The beach walk is always the best ever. I feel like weather getting worse, but here getting more busy. Lots of young people arrive with some backpacks, with some tents. Probably they will stay for the night. For me it's enough. Super great to walk in Brits Bay, and I get some coffee here, and I'm really surprised they have some sweets and some hot food as well. That's really cool. This place have a really good facility, and it's easy to stay when you have toilets, showers, food and beach like this one. Guys, thank you for watching me today, and see you shortly in another vlog.